Yeah, you got one shoe on there.
Okay, do you want to sit down and hold Luke? Want to sit down and hold the baby? Okay, sit right there.
No, I'm gonna play with the shoes.
Oh, you're going to hold the
At least
baby?
he can like pick him up.
Yeah, he does. Just like a stone.
Yeah.
Okay, here, sit down, and I'll put him in your lap. Okay.
Sure.
Okay, ready? Sit down. Hold him. Hold him.
Oh.
Give him a hug. Give him a hug.
Oh.
Good boy, Huey.
That was very good.
Yay! Good job.
That was nice.
Yeah, can you put it on Luke?
Can you put it on his foot?
That was good.
It's
Can you
close
tap,
enough.
tap, tap, Luke? Tap, tap, tap the baby. Oops.
I tried to put it on him, he says. These are about the cutest things I ever saw.